Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X8 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening your camera app, and currently we are on the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar here, and as you can see here, we've got 4K, which stands for the resolution. So just tap on it, and in this device we've got three different options, so 4K, 1080p, and 720p. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick this one, and as you can see, it was immediately applied, and it means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.